Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith. I'm going to take you a little behind the scenes tour of our open house here at Beckley's RVs. Show you why we are Maryland's #1 RV dealer. Setting up some prizes and giveaways for the kids. We're setting up a golf game. We're going to do putt putt save.
Now hit it. Oh.
Yeah! This is Nick. He's one of our reps from Coleman. Coleman helps me help you guys get the parts that you need.
Hi guys.
We got a nice blank chalkboard behind us. We're going to be doing some new art through this event too. Check out my visor.
Yes.
We can play music after I do some artwork. All right, I'm all done and playing in the bounty house, and it's time to start a new drawing. Everybody did a really good job on this one. Hi, Liz. I feel bad having to erase it. It's day 2 of our open house, and the place is hopping. Let's take a look around and check out some of the campers we got available. As you can see, we got a lot of units to look at. The Embers behind me are a new line that we recently took on. I really like this manufacturer style and what they're doing. Let's take a look inside of one. They also have little Easter eggs hidden inside of some of the cabinet doors. Thank you very much for watching. If you're in the area, stop by and see us at Beckley's RVs. And you guys are here to save some money, so let's give you a promo code for the entire month of June 2023. Enter promo code Beckley's at checkout to enjoy 10% off anything you want to get on the store. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, mash that notification bell, and I will see you guys at the campground.
She said, oh no.
It looks like we got a new artist. I might be out of a job.
First try.
He's so happy. Hello.
Congratulations, Terry Alexander. You are the grand prize winner.
Your TV.
I told you it's a 65-inch TV. At least I took a picture before you did.
Language, young man, language.
Does that have a monitor on it? Is that you?
No, it's not me this time.